Hi, I'm Caitlin Doherty, brand specialist here at Audi Kitchener-Waterloo. Today we're going to take a look at one of the newest certified pre-owned vehicles, a 2018 R8. This certified pre-owned 2018 R8 comes with a professionally installed satin black vinyl wrap. Underneath the wrap is the original factory paint color, Daytona Gray. Included in the overall cost is an Audi extended warranty. This warranty will cover this R8 until May 18th, 2023, or once you reach 100,000 kilometers, whichever occurs first. Another bonus on this R8 is that it comes with Audi Care, which covers the next 4 services. Some of the key features of this stunning R8 include 19-inch 5-spoke V-design wheels in a matte titanium finish, Audi's black optics package, Audi exclusive titanium black styling package, and exterior mirrors in dark chrome high gloss. Our sport seat package, sport seats, extended leather, 18-way power lumbar support, and heated seat function. Bang & Olufsen sound system with 13 speakers, an upgraded 83-liter fuel tank, and of course, an amazing V10 Plus engine. This certified pre-owned 2018 R8 has just 6,000 kilometers and is equipped with many more features. If you're interested in this vehicle, give us a call, or better yet, come visit us at Audi Kitchener-Waterloo.